So now we are going to work on what's called the gusset of your sock. Okay, so you want to pick up 9 stitches. All right, so let's do the 9 stitches first. So we'll do 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So all you're doing is picking up the little bumps, and then so you don't have your gap at all. And then pick up one more stitch, okay? So as you can see, this stitch right here is a little lengthier than I anticipated. So I'm going to pick up one more stitch there. And then what I'm going to do is pick up one more stitch down this way. Okay. Now this takes a little bit of a tweak to get it right. Okay. What I went and did is I picked up the 9 stitches, then 2 additional stitches. So now what I want to do is knit these 11 stitches that I picked up for the gusset. So we're going to go ahead and knit those 11 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we knit those 11 stitches that we picked up. And then what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and knit 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So we went ahead and knitted our side, and then we knitted 18 stitches. Okay. So now we're going to do the same here. We're going to pick up 2 additional, so just kind of eyeball it. So we're going to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to pick up an additional stitch. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and knit that. So we should have 11. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and knit that. And we're going to knit the last stitch. Okay, there's 11 stitches. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to separate this. So we're going to move our stitch marker. So what we're going to do is we're going to knit 5. Okay. And then we will place the stitch marker. And then what you can do is just move these stitches onto your other knitting needle. Okay. And then what you can do is keep that stitch marker there like that. All right. So we're going to knit 14. Okay. We are going to knit 2 together. And then we're going to knit 18. Slip, slip, and then knit it together. Okay. And then we're going to knit 14. Okay. And then we're going to knit all the way around, and we should have 48 stitches. "46, 47, and we have 48 stitches. Okay, so we're going to knit 13. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and knit 2 together. And then we're going to knit 18. And then we're going to do slip, slip, and then we're going to knit. And then we're going to knit 13. Okay. And then we're going to knit in around, and we should have 46 stitches. And we have 46 stitches. We're going to knit 12, knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. knit 18, slip, slip, knit, and then we're going to knit 12. Okay, we're going to knit all the way around and we should have 44 stitches. Okay, we're going to knit 11. We're going to knit 2 together. And we're going to knit 18. Slip, slip, knit, and then we're going to knit 11. Okay, we're going to knit all the way around and we should have 42 stitches. We're on row 15 of the gusset. We're going to knit 10 and then knit 2 together. Okay. Go ahead and knit 2 together. And then we're going to knit 18. Okay. We're going to slip, slip, knit. And then we're going to knit 10. Okay. So we're going to knit all the way around and we should have 40 stitches. $38, $39, and $40. Okay. We're on row 17 for the gusset. We're going to knit 9 and then we're going to knit 2 together. Then we're going to knit 2 together. Okay. And then we're going to knit 18. And then we're going to slip, slip, knit, slip, slip, knit. And then we're going to knit 9. We're going to knit all the way around. We should have 38 stitches. Okay. And we're on the last row of the gusset, which is row 19. We're going to knit 8 and then we're going to knit 2 together. And then we're going to knit 18. Okay. Then we're going to slip, slip, knit. And then we'll knit 8. Okay. All right, so in this video, we did the gusset. So we got the heel, which is a garter stitch. We have the turn, which is stockinette. And then we went ahead and did the gusset for the sock. With the SSK, you can see how the stitches are forming very nicely. And as you can see right here with my slip stitch, when I picked up that stitch, it looks very neat and tidy. And that's why I like doing the slip stitch, and I like the garter stitch because it's easier to pick up the stitches and it looks fabulous. And in the next video, I will go ahead and knit for the foot, and then we're going to do the toe. All right. Well, happy knitting, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.